Amateurish? Like, what do you mean? Like it looks a little homemade? Really? Well, maybe not. I don't know. All right, who cares? Do you want to introduce us? Sure. Hey, everybody! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Huh, Michael? Yeah, you tell him. My name is Emily Aubrey. This over here, get out of here. This is Michael Lyons. Ikaton Boozhoo, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. And today, what do you want to do? You want to jump right into the Ojibwe phrase of the day? Sure. Do you want to teach it? Yeah, sure. I'll teach it. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. I guess the thing I always say when we start. Ikaton Boozhoo. Say hello. Ikaton means say. Hello means, or Boozhoo means hello. And there you go. That's our Ojibwe phrase of the day. All right. Over to you, Michael Lyons. Thank you so much, Emily. And this has been your Ojibwe phrase of the day. All right. Now what? Well, Ikaton Boozhoo, say hello. Hello. Do you want to introduce yourself? I could interview you. You want to interview me? Yeah. All right. Let's try that. Okay, Michael. Today, my special guest is Michael Lyons, the Rockstar Cartoonist Puppeteer. Yeah. Okay, my first question for you, Michael. Why do they call you the Rockstar Cartoonist Puppeteer? Well, nobody calls me that. What do you mean? You got a comic book called Rockstar Cartoonist about you. Oh, yeah. Well, I kind of call myself Rockstar Cartoonist. Because of that comic book. But then, since doing the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, I had to kind of add Puppeteer onto that. Puppeteer. So, Rockstar Cartoonist Puppeteer. What is a Rockstar Cartoonist Puppeteer? A Rockstar Cartoonist Puppeteer is a person who's a rock star, which I'm not, but I play guitar and I like to rock out. A cartoonist is somebody who draws cartoons, and someday I'm going to do a short YouTube video on the difference between cartoons and just drawings, and the difference between a cartoonist and an artist. And what was the other one? Puppeteer. Oh yeah, puppeteer. And then a puppeteer. I could also talk about puppeteering. Really? Yeah, that might be kind of a meta. Do you want to do live streams again? I do, because the content just creates itself when you interact with the audience in ways that I just can't fake when we pre-tape the stuff. Yeah. So I might have to go live, even though nobody's watching our videos. Yeah. So what makes you a puppeteerist? A puppeteerist? Yeah. I'm a puppeteer because I create puppet shows. And I use... Okay. This is too meta. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can put that together. All right. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go live again soon. I just have to work out some bugs. I stopped using a cell phone, and so it makes things more difficult on YouTube. But anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. You go up a min.